morning, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of FastLane Garage. Today we're going to be, first of all, I know I said that I have a lot of parts for this car, and I do, but today's focus is safety. The rear brake lines on this car are leaking, and we can't drive it around like that. The ones on this one are good, no rust, no corrosion, no nothing. So we'll take that, and probably the rear subframe, pretty much everything in the back that looks like it's in better condition than the one over here, and we'll just swap them over. We'll take them off of here today. What we'll probably be doing from here on out is in the garage at home, we'll be taking parts off of this car, and then there's a shop that I have access to that will be using their lifts and their tools to be putting things onto this car. So that's just to show, no matter where you are, if you have a garage or just a flat space, or if you have a lift and all the tools in the world, you can do all this stuff anywhere. So what we'll do is we'll pull everything out of the garage that doesn't need to be in here, get this car set up so that we can work on it and have you guys in a good position so you can watch. First thing we need to do is jack up the car. I was just about to say, yeah, bring it down nice and slow. And then I drop it. Come to the other side. We really gotta put this car back down. That should be good enough, right? All right, let's try this again. Ow. This side's definitely tighter. Ooh, buddy. Man, that was way harder than it needed to be. That's weird. More penetration. Don't know why, but I feel like I sound like Yzma. Pull the lever, crunk. All right, guys. So this bolt right here has been giving me some trouble. Put some extra penetrating fluid on it. Just gonna try and spin it to get it free. There we go. Oh, great. All right, that's off now. Okay. All right, that's about it. We got this thing out. That's that and the little piece I showed you guys earlier. This is all we were after today. We're gonna go ahead and clean this up, and then on Tuesday I'm going to the shop. We can put it on that car, and yeah, I might continue taking this apart, get some paint, and paint it. We'll see. It's a little rusty up here, which really this is all surface rust. It's nothing big, but since we have it off, we might as well make it look good, right? But all right, let's go ahead and get this cleaned off. All right, guys, well, that's gonna do it for this video. We got it all cleaned up, prepped, and I'm gonna paint it off camera. And next video, you're gonna see us installing it and hopefully test driving it. Again, thanks for joining me. See you next time.